Welcome. In today's video, we're exploring a fantastic feature of the Messenger app on PC that makes searching through your chats super easy. With the latest update, finding specific messages in a conversation has never been more straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official website. Once you're in, you'll see your list of conversations. Now locate and open the chat where you want to search for a specific message. This could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a work chat. Click on that chat to get started. Next, look for the 3 dots located at the top of the conversation. These dots represent additional options for the chat. Go ahead and click on them, and a menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see the option labeled Search. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your search term. This could be a keyword, a phrase, or anything relevant to the message you're trying to find. Type it in, and don't worry about being too precise. The search feature is designed to help you locate what you need. Once you've entered your search term, hit Enter or click the search icon. The app will then generate a list of results that match your query. Take a moment to look through these results, as they will highlight the specific messages that contain your search term. When you find the message you're looking for, simply click on it. The conversation will jump right to that point, allowing you to read the message in context. This feature is especially useful for revisiting important discussions or memories. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can efficiently search through your Messenger chats on PC. This new update is all about making your communication experience smoother and more organized. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Happy searching!